Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Loginate. And in today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to edit images on Dola AI account. So first of all, launch Dola AI app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then simply tap on any default AI chat you wish to. Now, once you come here, you'll see the category of Edit Image. Tap on it. Now, choose any image you wish to. Now, after this, you can see various options through which you could edit your image. You could slide towards the left-hand side and you can choose various options. For now, let's tap on Image Details. Now, over here, I'm going to tap on Summarize option. Now, if you scroll down below, you can see other various options as well. Choose any according to your preferences. And then, once you are done, you can simply tap on Add. Then, simply tap on this upward arrow button in order to send. Let's wait for some time until your image is being generated and edited by Dola AI. So with that, you will successfully be able to edit images on Dola AI application. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.